Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Utaba channel. Friends, are you ready to blast off into the space with your imagination? It's really easy and fun. Let's start with the rocket body. Draw a tall oval. Let's draw the lower part of the rocket from which the fire comes. Now, draw two small triangles at the bottom of each side. Let's draw a circle near the top part of the rocket's body. This is the window where the astronauts look out. This is the main part of the rocket that goes into the space. Now, it's time to add some color. Use your favorite colors to make your rocket looks amazing. First, I take light green for the cone of the rocket. I also take light green for the two small triangles at the bottom of each side. I color the first layer of circle with red. I color the lower part of the rocket with red from which the fire comes. Now, I color with dark blue on the windows. To decorate it more, I color the strip with dark blue. Now, for the rest of the body, I color with yellow. Yes! Great job! Now I take black marker to make the diagram more vibrant and beautiful. Great job, astronauts! You just drew an awesome rocket. So friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of our update. This is Utaba signing off until my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.